Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Bigo Live with QR code. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your web browser and as soon as you do that, go to the address bar at the top and type in www.bigo.tv and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of Bigo Live. Now go to the top right corner and you'll be able to see a login button. Click that on. A pop-up will appear on the display in the middle. You can now scan your QR code displayed on the screen in order to log in. All you need to do is go grab your mobile device. Log into your Bigo Live account. Now, tap on the human icon at the bottom right corner. From the Me page, scroll all the way down until you find the Scan QR Code option. Tap it on, and you'll be able to see a QR code reader appearing on the screen. Now, simply point your QR code screen reader towards the screen of your desktop where you can see the QR code displayed on the screen. And once you place it right there in the middle, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. You'll need to tap on the login button to confirm login to your web with Bigo Live. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that you have logged into your Bigo Live account and you have landed in the home page. That is how you can easily log into Bigo Live using your QR code option. You'll be able to see all of the live broadcasts and different categories displayed on the screen. Go ahead and click open one of the live broadcasts in order to watch. That is how you can easily log into Bigo Live with your QR code. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.